Pale outline the curve. Cobra available. Now make it line straight. Hands cover up. Dikshan. Cover up. Inside. Up. Side. Down. Yalla, Osman, straight. What I mean here? All of you, ideal face. Look at the back of your friends. All of you. Yalla house. Straight. Ideal face, all of you. And don't move others. Look at the front, just. Cobra all of you. And slow up, straight. Just look at the back of your friends. And slow up. Side. Up. Straight. Hands up. Properly. Visakha. Clap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Up. Side. Down. Everyone will produce sound, right? Standard louder than this. Attention. Standing. Attention. Okay, all of you, get ready for it. National anthem. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. You come here.
Come inside. You may sit that next time you are walking. Come here. In the back there.
Don't walk during playing national anthem. You should show respect. Order also. Listen carefully. And Scabra. Inside. Up. Make it straight. Up. Manju. Priyanka. What happened to you? Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Okay, be ready for school song. Let me sing louder and together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Make your hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Corner one, two. Take line one, ten. Hands down, up. Inside. Up. Straight out, down, two. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Okay, now it's time for the speech. Stand it to the speech. It's on board.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all over my sincere thoughts, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends, as you always speak because they are standing in front of you to say about new tutorial. The topic is Jude Bellingham facing fight to get back in England. Jude Bellingham might have to wait to get back in the England.
Allow with commanding voice, then only it will be clear.
England team with coach Thomas Tuchel saying honestly is no rush to change the system to accommodate the return of the Real Madrid stars since Bellingham has last played for England in a 3-1 loss to Senegal in a friendly in June. Morgan Rothers has been installed in the number 10 role and starred in recent 5-0 wins over Serbia and Latvia. That helped to clinch a spot in next year's World Cup. Bellingham is back in squad after fully recovering from shoulder surgery and Tuchel sees him as no 10 placing in direct competition with Rodgers. They are friends, so this can also be a friendly competition. Tuchel said at a news conference ahead of England's home game against Serbia in World Cup qualifying on Thursday. You don't have to be enemies, you don't have to hate each other. They are respectful, they are friends with each other and they fight at moment for the same reason. Can they play together? Yes, but in a different structure. And maybe it's not the movement change of structure would be always Bellingham is the fact that he had filed for in another attacking midfielder who has regained a place in the squad having taken part in a full training session so far this week. Tuchel said that will happen later Wednesday at Chelsea playmaker Cole Palmer, who is currently sidelined by a groin injury, into the mix, and England has invaluable option in attacking midfield. Tuchel, however, said he won't try to come up his star players into the same team as the previous managers have done unsuccessfully, not because we don't like
And your
them,
friends also.
not because they don't individually deserve it, but will always do what best for the team. Tuchel told British radio station Talk Sport, we always do what's best for winning, we will always do what's best for balance, and we will try to keep the clarity even if it means that we have to take tough decisions. England became the first European nation to qualify for the World Cup last month, so the pressure is off Tuchel and the team heading into the upcoming games against Serbia and Albania that were up good play. The German coach said he is not thinking ahead to next year tournament just yet. So much can he said nobody wants injury to happen. It happen, but injury can happen players at full long time.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected teacher, principal, vice principal, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Sasiwa Koti from grade 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of childhood days. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the ECA community for organizing this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now I like to start my topic. Childhood days. Childhood days are wonderful and memorable. In our childhood days, we are happy with our family members and friends. As children, we enjoy playing, talking, running, and much more. Children, children, children are the active time filled with curiosity and a quick ability to learn new things. These are the days filled with are the days filled with memories, um, childhood is the sweet and pure. Childhood is the pure and true time for everyone. We develop many identities, which makes us which make us feel superior or inferior to others. We identify as doctors, engineer, politician, rich or poor, and so on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaskar and good morning to you all, respected principals or vice principals or teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's Miss Vidyarai from grade 7 standing here in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of importance of respecting everyone. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program which have to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this: importance of respecting everyone. Respect is seeing the worth in every single person, no matter how old they are, what their job is, what they believe in, or if they are different from you. It means treating people how you exactly wanted to be treated. Respect does not come from only one side, it comes from both sides. If you respect someone, they will also respect you in return. We learn respect from our families, seniors, teachers, juniors, and especially from our friends who have different background or have different ideas than us. At last, I want to say that we should respect everyone. It creates the image and reputation of you in front of them. Thank you and have a nice day.
Loudly, okay?
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Ranka Giri from grade 5, standing in front of you to deliver short and sweet speech on the topic of my brother. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program to give confidence level of the students. Now my topic goes like this: my brother. There are 5 members in my family. My brother is one of them. He is little than me. His name is Rehan Giri and he is 1 year old. I love my brother very much. He likes to eat rice and vegetables. Also, he loves me so much. He likes to play football and etc. He is always good for me. He cares about me. He makes me happy. At last, I want to say that I care my brother so much. Also, I love my brother so much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all the speakers for your speech. All of you hands cover up and take your line. Inside, DCL house line. Now straight. Up. Inside, all of you. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap it louder. Stop. Inside. Properly. Inside. Up. Down. Do it together, all of you. Stand at age. Attention. Don't be lazy. Be active. Stand at age. All of you. Attention. Stand at age. Attention. Okay, to provide some information, I would like to welcome our respected vice principal.
Thank you very much, Mikasa. Cover up. You seem a little bit passive. Why? Inside. Hands up. Clap together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Inside. Hands down. Studies. So, some of the students' dress is not up to date. If the jacket chain is not functioning well, if your trouser is torn, then you can manage by tomorrow. You must wear the dress which is appropriate to wear. And I can see some of the students' shoes are very dirty. Too much dirty. That means they are not washing on time. And we had already informed you to wear the ribbon, separate ribbon, not that handband ribbon. So I would like to request all the house teachers to check the smartness of the students. And defaulters, please, let's isolate them.